So what we about to do, man, we got a lot of comedians coming. First thing I gotta do is shout out all my people up in the building. All my upperclassmen, make some noise. Right, that's about it. No, freshmen like, oh. Freshmen make some noise. Now, 1990. Like for real, 1990. See, I don't know if I can get down with y'all only because, listen, only because like y'all don't remember some of the stuff we remember, like all my 80s babies, like do they remember the stuff? Like have y'all heard of Snick on Nickelodeon? Like, nah, y'all got Snick like the Jonas Brothers and I'm talking about Snick, like Kenny the Cat. Oh, here it goes. All that, y'all know nothing about that, man. Y'all know nothing about this late at night. You kind of scared because that come on. Hey, word up. Y'all don't understand. Captain Planet. What's the story, Wishbone? Me and my sister used to argue, because I wanted to watch Wishbone, she wanted to watch Arthur. I'm like, I don't know Wishbone. Y'all know, Tailspin, Chippendale, Seabear Jamal. That's if you select them, because you have to wake up early for that one. Go to Island. Binga Binga. Binga Binga. Then they just come up and jump in, jump out. Jump out, and my name is Dirk. Do y'all remember TGIF? Y'all, TGIF is different. I'm talking about TGIF. Full House. Y'all didn't know Full House used to. Do y'all? Family Matters. Wait, I bet y'all know the song. This song come on like it's a rare condition, this day and age. When Sean, like Sean was a, black girls like the Sean on the low, like, oh yeah, thug on the real. And Topanga was the first white girl, I was like, you know what? Mom's gonna have to be mad at me because nobody even paid the black girl attention, like, all right, the black one. Y'all remember the black one, Zach? All the girls want to be Kimberly? Just because she was pink, didn't nobody want to be the Chinese girl. The yellow one was that friend, like, oh yeah, she just came here, she could be the yellow one. Tommy was like 5 of them. White, red. What'd you just say? All the girls thought Tommy was cute. Do y'all remember this? Do they remember this? This is a story all about how my life got flipped turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute and just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. Oh! Yeah. It's on the playground, as we were saying. Chillin' out back. feel stupid. Okay. All right. All right, give it up for everybody who's in a relationship. Ladies in a relationship. Or do you just think you're in a relationship? Are you in a relationship or do you think you're in a relationship? Because look, ladies, I'm about to tell you our secret. Here go the secret. Shh, fellas, don't be mad at me.
Oh, come on.
But when y'all together,
shut up.
when you with your man, call him. Because his ringtone will tell you everything you need to know. Everything you need to know, his ringtone will let you know. Because now, if you call, so, if that play, you just a booty call, girl. If you go like this, ho, ho, you just know your place. Ringtones tell you everything. Like, everybody got a special ringtone. Like, ladies got one for their homegirls. The single ladies. Fellas got one for their homeboys. And then you got one for, you know, that girl you just met, y'all just talking. And then you got that one for that special someone. That's ring. No matter what you're doing, you got. Sometimes every time you gonna call you back and you got your phone on vibrate, you swear to vibrate, don't you? You be like, you mad because it's an alarm you set last week, like, oh. But listen, wouldn't it be crazy though? Like, wouldn't it be crazy if like ringtones, like, shh. Get my jokes on. No. Wouldn't it be crazy if like ringtones was like real life? Like actually ringtones would play in your head before you see that person? Like, yo, ringtone put you in, like, it'd be just like this, like, hit the lights. Yeah, I know I have this, right? Oh, snap. Play that, ringtone. Dave Chappelle. The lips, right? Okay.